Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Sit back, relax, and I'll show you what we got cooking. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to make a really super easy crock pot meal. I call it cheesy chicken and stuffing in the crock pot. You can use, I got chicken thighs in here. You can use chicken thighs, chicken breasts, whichever you want. I've already got a layer of chicken thighs down in here. I put a little bit of salt and pepper down in here. Sorry if it's so shaky, I don't have my tripod here today. Put a little salt down in there. And then put a little bit of cream of chicken soup. If it'll come out of the can. There's that. Let me grab something to spread that out with. Now spread that out some. There's that. And then here comes the cheesy part. This is Munster cheese. You can use Swiss. You can use any kind of cheese you want. I've used hot pepper cheese. Munster's just happened to be what I have today. So there's that. And we'll take another layer of chicken thighs here. Put in there. I probably should have trimmed some of this fat off here, but it'll just make it a little bit juicier, that's all. There's that. Put that down in there. And put a little bit more salt and pepper here on this. Another can of another can of cream of chicken soup. Mix that around there and move it around and kind of cover the chicken up a little bit there as best you can. And now I'm going to put another layer of that Munster cheese in there. I'm going to put 4 pieces this time. And then get yourself some stuffing mix. Put that in there. Kind of spread that around. And the juices and the steam from the chicken and the stuffing, or chicken and the cream of chicken soup and stuff will come up and moisten all that and make it, nice and tender and everything. The only thing you gotta do now is throw the cover on the crock pot, set it on low. I do it all day while I'm at work, about 8 hours. You can probably, I've never tried it on high, for less time, but this is one of the meals I make when I go to work, before I go to work. Come home, got a great hot meal. So we'll bring you back later on today after this cooks all day. Alright, y'all. This cheesy chicken and stuffing's been cooking all day. Let's take the lid off here and see how she looks. Oh yeah. It's looking delicious. Stuffing looks a little bit dry on the top, but it's actually not. I mean, just a little bit of crust on the top there. She'll moisten right up. Let me grab a plate and spoon and we'll get some of this out and let you see what it looks like on the plate. Alright, y'all, there it is on the plate. I made up some green beans to go with it, one of my favorite vegetables. I've got a few comments, people asking me, where's your vegetable, Well, I usually do make a vegetable, I just don't show it, but tonight there you go. There's some green beans. So let's take a bite of this. There's some of that cheese. Look at that chicken. That chicken's just falling apart. Delicious. I gotta take another bite. That is awesome. So there you go, y'all. If you like it, make it. Like I said, it's real simple. Good meal for the family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that all to catch out some more cooking videos and mechanical videos and all kinds of other stuff and whatever else I get into. So appreciate y'all watching. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing this, and it really means a lot to me whenever y'all come into the live streams Sunday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Stop in, say hi, give me a thumbs up, sit back, relax, watch what's going on, and that'll be it for today for What's Cooking with the Bear. So we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.